Hello students, welcome to our channel. Please like, share and subscribe your own channel, School Studies. School Studies is pleased to announce the launch of our educational website, Patel Section. After years of hard work and dedication, we are delighted to officially announce the launch. Our goal with this website is to provide our students with an easier way to learn their lesson and prepare for exams. The new website is interactive and gives better access to NCERT solution, GSEB solution, Kids Zone and general knowledge courses and quiz. We will be constantly updating our content with helpful information, articles, blogs, newsletters, new course announcements. We hope you find the new website with a fresh look, easy to access information. For any question, suggestion, feedback or comments, please contact us today. Today we will see a video related to NCERT solution for class 7 civics, chapter 9, struggle for equality. So let's solve textbook exercise. In that the first question is, what do you think is meant by the expression power over the ballot box? Power over the ballot box signifies the power of the common people who are availing in the right to vote in every election. They are the real power of any country. They are driving the government and the working of the system without any second thoughts. Next question, what is the issue of Tawa Matsya Sangh fighting for? In 1994, the government gave the rights to fishing in the Tawa Reservoir to private contractors. These contractors drove the local people away and threatened the ones who did not leave by bringing in hoodlums. The villagers stood united and decided that it was time to set up an organization and do something to protest their rights. Thus, they formed the Tawa Matsya Sangh, that is TMS, which organized rallies and protests demanding the right to continue fishing for their livelihood. Why did the villagers set up this organization? The villagers set up this organization in order to protest their livelihood and their land. They also set it up with the additional objective of highlighting the injustice meted out to them by the government. Next, do you think that the large-scale participation contributed to the success of the TMS? Write 2 lines on why you think so. In response to the large-scale protest by the TMS, the government created a committee to assess the issue. The committee recommended that fishing rights be granted to the villagers for their livelihood. In 1996, Madhya Pradesh government decided to give fishing rights for the reservoir to the people displaced by the Tawa Dam. A 5-year lease agreement was signed 2 months later. On January 2, 1997, people from 33 villages of Tawa started the new year with the first catch. With the TMS taking over the fish, workers were able to increase their earnings subsequently. Thus, it can be said that the large-scale participation by the people forced the government to review the situation in the villagers' favor, as they worked out a deal which could be beneficial for all the parties. Next question, what role does the constitution play in people's struggle equality? Constitution plays a significant role in the people's struggle for equality. It ensures that there is a free and fair treatment. In the eye of the Constitution, everyone is equal. No one is superior over the other. It ensures that every person must get equal rights under the law. It makes sure that everyone has access to the basic and fundamental rights. So this was chapter 9 of civics of NCERT solution for class 7. I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please leave comment, question or doubts in comment section if you have any, or you can drop a mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. You can also join us on Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, connect us on LinkedIn or tweet us on Twitter. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.